Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two heavyweights in the smart lock game, August Smart Lock versus Yale Assure Lock 2. Which one should you choose for your smart home in 2025? Let's break it down. First, August Smart Lock is known for its sleek, compact design that attaches to your existing deadbolt, meaning you don't have to replace the entire lock. It integrates seamlessly with most smart home systems, including Google Assistant, Alexa, and Apple HomeKit. The August app offers a ton of control, from checking your lock status to granting virtual guest keys. One standout feature is Auto Unlock, which automatically unlocks the door as you approach, a great hands-free option. On the other hand, Yale Assure Lock 2 is a fully integrated smart lock, meaning you replace your existing deadbolt. This lock offers a variety of keyless entry methods, including a keypad, smartphone app, and even a mechanical key for backup. It supports both Apple HomeKit and Google Assistant, plus features like voice control and a Z-Wave Plus or Bluetooth option for remote access. The Yale Secure app also lets you manage lock settings and check lock status from anywhere. In terms of security, both locks are great. The August Smart Lock offers more flexibility for renters due to its non-invasive design. Meanwhile, the Yale Assure Lock 2 gives a more traditional lock and key experience, but with all the added benefits of smart technology. So, which one is better for you? The versatile August Smart Lock or the fully integrated Yale Assure Lock 2? Let us know your pick in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more comparisons like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.